The Sazgar Shuttle EV 125A stands out as a symbol of progress in Pakistan's evolving transportation landscape. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a statement about how innovation and sustainability can come together to redefine urban mobility. Designed for modern drivers who want reliability, efficiency, and eco-friendliness in one package, this electric rickshaw has quickly become a favorite among city commuters and commercial operators alike. From the moment you see it, the Sazgar Shuttle EV 125AH looks like a step forward. Its body design is smooth yet strong, built to handle the bumps and turns of busy streets while keeping passengers comfortable. The wide cabin and ergonomic seating make every ride easy for both the driver and the passengers. Every element of its construction reflects attention to detail, from the solid chassis to the modern dashboard layout. It's practical, but it also feels premium for a three-wheeler. The true strength of this rickshaw lies beneath the surface. It runs on a 72-volt, 125-ampere-hour LiFePO4 battery, one of the most durable and reliable battery technologies in the electric vehicle world. This system delivers a range of roughly 145 to 160 kilometers on a single charge, which is more than enough for a full day's work in the city. The top speed hovers around 60 kilometers per hour, perfectly suited for urban routes where efficiency and control matter more than raw power. For drivers used to worrying about fuel prices, this vehicle feels like a relief. It's quiet, clean, and costs a fraction of what a petrol or CNG ride would consume daily. Charging the Shuttle EV is simple and convenient. It plugs into standard outlets, and the battery management system ensures safe, efficient charging every time. With a full charge typically completed overnight, most owners can start their day ready to go without any downtime. Maintenance is also straightforward since there are fewer moving parts compared to traditional engines. That means no oil changes, no fuel filters, and fewer breakdowns, just consistent performance day after day. One of the major reasons this rickshaw has gained such popularity is its cost efficiency. While the upfront price is higher than conventional rickshaws, the running costs are dramatically lower. Electricity costs much less than gasoline or CNG, and the reduced maintenance adds long-term savings. When calculated over months of daily operation, the investment starts to make clear financial sense. Fleet owners who rely on multiple vehicles have found the Sazgar Shuttle EV particularly appealing for this reason. It's a way to modernize operations while keeping overhead low. Comfort and safety haven't been overlooked either. The ride quality is smooth, thanks to a well-balanced suspension system and low vibration motor performance. The braking system is responsive, offering peace of mind in crowded traffic. The interior feels roomy, allowing passengers to sit comfortably without feeling cramped. For drivers who spend long hours behind the wheel, the thoughtful ergonomics make a big difference. There's also the simple satisfaction of operating a vehicle that produces zero emissions. In a world where cities are fighting pollution and climate change, this rickshaw quietly does its part to create cleaner air and a healthier environment. Beyond practicality, the Sazgar Shuttle EV 125AH represents a shift in mindset. It shows that electric mobility isn't just a distant dream, it's happening now. In Pakistan's urban centers, where traffic congestion and fuel costs are daily struggles, an electric solution like this feels almost revolutionary. It allows drivers to earn more by spending less, and it brings passengers a quieter, smoother ride. There's also a sense of pride in being part of something new, something that points toward the future. The brand Sazgar itself adds credibility. Known for years as a trusted name in the auto rickshaw industry, Sazgar has earned a reputation for building tough, reliable vehicles that last. With the Shuttle EV 125A, the company blends the tradition of dependability with forward-thinking technology. Their growing network of service centers and spare parts availability makes ownership simple and worry-free. That reliability and support are big reasons why many early adopters have chosen Sazgar over newer, unproven EV brands. Ultimately, the Sazgar Shuttle EV 125A is more than just a rickshaw, it's a movement toward smarter, cleaner, and more affordable transportation. It gives drivers freedom from rising fuel costs, reduces mechanical headaches, and helps cities breathe easier. Every ride becomes a small contribution to progress, powered by innovation and driven by purpose. In a time when the world is looking for sustainable answers, this vehicle offers one that's practical, profitable, and ready for the roads today.